So I'm using R46. I'm coloring in a Jessica Lynn original digital stamp, and I'm entering this into the Coffee Lovers blog hop. I'm going to make a quick card where the focus is this adorable image. So I'm just going to lay down my darkest red colors in the creases in the hat, and then right under the fluff of the hat, I'm gonna make a little shadow here. And then we'll color up that adorable cow. So Jessica hand draws all her images. She does an amazing job with her images. And this one's R24. And then my lightest is R14. And I'm just going to leave a little highlight, a little white highlight. There we go. And then I'm going to do the white in some grays. So I just grabbed C8, C7, C5, C3, and C0. I added the C8 very sparingly, just in the little creases of the puffs here. And then working my way down to my lightest color. Ooh, my C5 is all dry and yucky. I'm gonna go and skip down to C3. Try and soften out this line. Oh, and I forgot to do the little poofs on the top of the hat. So I'll do that quickly. I'm going to color up his horns, starting with E79. I'm going to do the cow in E97, E99, and E95. Okay, there's the cow. Turned out really cute. And now for our little owl. This is her famous Brentwood owl. I'm going to color in the little toes with a honey color. And then I'll bring in a darker orange, YR04, kind of define each toe. And then I'd like to do the cup in red to bring some more red down into the picture here. So let's do the R46, R27, and R24. And I'm going to leave a little white highlight down the center of my cup. That's going to help it look shiny. And then let's not forget the top rim. And let's give the inside a coffee color. We'll do E15. And I'm going to do his nose in the same oranges. I'm going to do his eyes in a yellow. So I'm going to take that same Y38 And I'll bring in Y17. And let's get something lighter. Let's try Y13. Okay, this is going to be a little bit harder to blend out, but let's see if I keep working at it. It's starting to blend. There we go. And then I'm gonna do the owl in kind of like a gray color. I saw this guy. He's yellow and gray. So I'm gonna get out the W's. I'm gonna start with W7. Okay, so there is my adorable couple. I'm going to take a white Jelly Roll pen and do some highlighting. Let's bring back some highlights on his little toes here. Okay, so there's our image. I'm going to cut this out and then we're going to add it to a card. Hi guys, I am so sad. My sticky mat on my brother's Scan and Cut was not sticky, and I put washi tape down and I didn't stick it down good enough, and it's shift on the cut over here. So it started cutting into the image. So now to save my image, I'm going just to cut on the line. My poor cow's horns are all chopped up. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do. Usually I can save, you know, mistakes if they happen like this, but I don't know if I could save this one. I think I'm gonna cut off his horns. That looks ridiculous with the skinny little horn like that. That's not how she drew it. Oh dear. Oh dear, this is terrible. This is terrible, guys. My poor little image is ruined. So here's how the card turned out. I used a sheet from the Christmas Donuts paper pad for my background. It has a sentiment on it, Merry Christmas, so I didn't think I needed to add a sentiment. To fix the little poof on the cow's hat, it slightly got cut off. I added little poof balls to their hats. And then I added some shine to both of their noses with some Nouveau Crystal glaze and added a white border that would represent snow. So I think this card is complete. I hope you'll check out the Coffee Lovers blog hop. Today is the last day to get your card entered. You can hop along. If you didn't want to enter into the hop, you could just hop to each entry and get lots of inspiration on coffee themed cards. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.